Hey there, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the channel where we test drive the latest car tech to help you stay safe, smart, and one step ahead on the road. Today, we're taking a close look at a dash cam that's gained a ton of attention, the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. This camera system promises 4K front video, 1080p cabin and rear cameras, and complete triple-channel coverage. So, is it actually as good as it sounds? And more importantly, is it worth your money? Let's break it down and find out. What's in the box? Let's start with what you get in the box. The Vantrue N4 comes with the main dash cam unit with built-in front and interior-facing cameras, a separate 1080p rear camera, a 20-foot rear camera cable, a suction mount for your windshield, USB-C car charger and data cable, user manual and setup guide. The build quality feels premium. It's not bulky, and the matte finish blends into your windshield setup without standing out. You will need to buy a microSD card separately. It supports up to 256 GB, which is more than enough for day-to-day use with all three cameras running. Triple channel coverage. Now let's talk about the big feature, 3-channel recording. Here's how it breaks down. Front camera, records in up to 4K, 2160p, at 30 frames per second, giving you super sharp detail and wide dynamic range. Cabin camera, 1080p resolution with infrared night vision, perfect for ride-share drivers or keeping tabs on passengers. Rear camera, also 1080p, giving you visibility of vehicles and objects behind you. All three cameras record simultaneously, and you can choose different combinations if you want to prioritize file size. For example, 4K front plus cabin only, or front plus rear. And with wide-angle lenses, 155-degree front, 160-degree rear, and 165 cabin, the N4 captures nearly everything around your vehicle. Blind spots? Basically gone. Video quality. The 4K front camera really shines. Whether you're in bright sunlight or a rainy evening commute, footage looks crisp and clean. You can read license plates, signs, and lane markers with ease. At night, the front cam performs surprisingly well. It's not grainy or overexposed, thanks to the sensor tuning and high bitrate recording. The interior camera is equipped with infrared LEDs, so it continues recording even in complete darkness. It's ideal for Uber or Lyft drivers working the night shift, or if you just want to document everything happening inside your vehicle. The rear cam holds its own too. While it's not 4K, the 1080p resolution and wide angle still give you clear visibility of tailgaters, sudden stops, and fender benders. Storage, loop recording, and G-sensor. The N4 uses loop recording, so it automatically overwrites old footage when your SD card is full. But don't worry, it protects important clips. Thanks to the built-in G-sensor, the camera locks video files when it detects sudden impact or motion. That way, important moments don't get deleted. You can also manually protect clips with a single button press. Parking mode. One of the more underrated features here is 24-hour parking monitoring, which becomes available if you use the optional hardwiring kit. There are multiple parking modes to choose from. Motion detection. Records only when movement is detected. Collision detection. Kicks in if your parked car gets hit or bumped. Low bitrate mode. Continuously records at a lower quality to save space and power. This is a huge plus if you park on the street, in apartment lots, or just want peace of mind overnight. Ease of use. There's a 2.45-inch display on the back of the main unit, and while it's small, it's bright and easy to use. The interface is menu-driven, and navigating it with the side buttons feels intuitive. It doesn't have a touch screen or app control, which may feel old school to some, but everything works reliably and without lag. The mount is rock solid, and once everything is plugged in, the system powers on automatically with your ignition. It really is a set-it-and-forget-it device once installed. What we liked. Let's talk about the highlights. 4K front camera quality is truly sharp, perfect for high-detail footage. Simultaneous triple-channel recording for full situational coverage. Excellent night vision inside and out, especially with infrared cabin cam. Reliable parking mode with multiple trigger options. Solid build and mounting system. No overheating issues even during long, hot drives. Simple setup despite the multiple channels. It's also great that Vantrue included a USB-C power port, faster and more future-proof than the older mini USB cams. What could be better? That said, no product is perfect. Here are a few things we didn't love. No built-in Wi-Fi or app connectivity, which means no wireless file transfer. No cloud backup. If your SD card fails or is removed, footage is gone. Rear cam cable is long, but installation can still be tricky in larger vehicles. No GPS module included. You'll have to buy that separately if you want speed and location data stamped on your footage. Also, the interface design, while functional, feels a bit dated compared to newer dash cams with voice commands or touchscreen options. Who should buy this? The Vantrue N4 is a great choice for rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, taxi, who want full in-cabin documentation, commuters and road trippers who want extra protection front and back, parents monitoring teen drivers, anyone who parks on the street or in public lots. If you care about high-resolution video and comprehensive coverage, the N4 hits a sweet spot, especially at its price point. Final verdict. So, is the Vantrue N4 worth it? Absolutely. It delivers sharp 4K footage, 3-angle recording, and all-day, all-night performance in a compact, well-built package. Yes, it could use Wi-Fi and app control to modernize the experience, but what it lacks in flash, it makes up for in function. If you're looking for a professional-grade dash cam without a professional price, the N4 is a strong contender. We're giving the Vantrue N4 dash cam a solid 8.6 out of 10. It's powerful, dependable, and perfect for drivers who take their safety seriously. If you think the Vantrue N4 is the right fit for your vehicle, check out the Amazon link in the description to see the latest price and full specs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next honest tech breakdown. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and stay gadget ready.